These days, nobody has time for the past. We look toward the future. And so it's out with the old and in with the new. But what if you could build a better future by restoring the past? Dustless blasting lets you turn back time. By revealing the beauty that's been covered, you can make money while cleaning up your community. With our mobile dustless blasting units, you can blast just about any project anywhere. And since the abrasive is non-toxic and environmentally inert, it won't harm plants, animals, or people nearby. This process uses recycled materials that would otherwise be in a landfill to strip even the toughest coatings extremely quickly. And by facilitating restoration rather than replacement, you're fostering sustainability. Dustless blasting, restoring the past to build your future.